Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to create custom keyboard shortcuts on Android 16. On your device you want to open settings. Now let's scroll to section system. From here tap on keyboard and now let's go to on-screen keyboard. Now you want to tap Gboard, or you can select your default keyboard. And from here you need to tap on dictionary. Let's tap on personal dictionary. Now select specific language that you want to which you want to add your shortcut. I will go with all languages, and now I will tap the plus sign. So now finally in this section you want to type your long phrase and then enter short code. So let's go with this one, I don't know. Now in the shortcut I will type this one, so let's save it. Now next time that you type your shortcut, in the suggestion strip you will see your long phrase. Here it is. So that's it, that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.